Welcome back. VPN creates encrypted tunnel between end machine, computer or laptop or mobile, and server. When we create VPN host service in home lab or in home server, we can establish the connection between home server and other gadget to access personal files securely from anywhere in the world through internet. Also, the internet browsing will happen through this secured tunnel through home server. By this way, we will be invisible in public network. Create folder in host server to save configuration files. Create Docker Compose file and copy-paste Docker Compose section from linuxservice.io website. Update server URL line with your public IP assigned by your internet service provider. I am using domain created in DuckDNS. Next, change number of peers based on your requirement. That is, you might need VPN connection for your desktop, laptop, mobile, each individual devices at home. In order to do so later point of time, we need to recreate the container again. So, better create more peers while installing. Comment, allowed IP. Update volumes path to the host machine path. Note down the port number. It is required to open the same port in router to allow outside world connections. This is not explained in this video. Please search in internet as it varies for different routers. Save Docker file. Compose Docker container with docker up-d command. Check whether Wireguard is up and running with docker ps command. In order to connect peers, use configuration files from the config folder in host machine under folder we pointed out in Docker file. Each peers folder got barcode and configuration file. You may use file or barcode to configure peers. I am checking the Wireguard connection on my laptop. To do so, I connect my laptop Wi-Fi to my mobile connection which is connected out of home network and using SSH connectivity to server for demonstration. Without Wireguard configured, I am trying to SSH my server. The connection is not happening. Open Wireguard app in laptop. Import peer file created by Wireguard by clicking import tunnel from file icon. Once imported you may see various information about tunnel. To activate the connection with server, click on activate button. Once connected, go back to command prompt and try to connect server. You can notice the tunnel gets closed as soon as deactivate button clicked on Wireguard. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and like videos.